Hey guys, welcome back to Chef the Soul TV News. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video as well. So guys, ngibona la this is one of abafowethu kuthiwa ke uma ngibheka nje ngokwe caption yayo le video nomuntu oyipostile ekhuluma ngodaba lokuthi ke this was a husband of mhlambe ke usisi uthile, and then ke wasefica ukuthi ke uyaboshwa. Uthe mayeboshwa ke kushuthi ke unkosikazi wakhe wase ke decide to move on nempilo yabo. And then after uphuma kwakhe ke lo mfo khona lapha ya ejele, this is what he did after finding out ukuthi ke unkosikazi wakhe just moved on yabo. So izo zonke izinto leziyana ke abakade ke zenza njengoba ubona lapha yana ke destroyer enza yonke le yanto. People had different comments mayelana nalo lolu daba, and instead of commenting kulona lolu daba mina ngishawe uvalo nje ngezinto eziningi, because okuqala kuba nezifungo if ukuthi ke seniyahlanganisa lapha ke noma umfundisi before nje nifakana ama ring, kuba nezifungo ukuthi ke ekufeni nasekuphileni ebini nasebuhleni. So njengoba kade boshiwe lo mfo, this lokho nje kugodwa bekuyinto ke ebekumele basupportane kuyona up to a level whereby lo mjida lo egcine ke isizakala noma ke ephuma ejele, not ukuthi ke kube ukuthi ke unkosikazi wakhe ke usethatha izinqumo engaphezulu kwezifungo zabo yabo. So I'll just read a few comments for wena la kwi comment section, and then ke you decide ukuthi ke wena ungakuluphi uhlangothi or wena uthatha yiphi ke view, I don't know. But then ke if ever you have anything to comment on or to say, you can say it down below on the comment section. So lana ke bafethu ke sinomnqobi ngcobo othi ke stupid husband, why didn't he set everything alight? Bayamhleka ke lapha ke umnqobi uthi ke lapha ke uRodney, he's going back to jail. Bahleka ke baningi lapha ke. I think le comment ithole ke ama likes alapha ku 3000. Bese kuba lapha ke uRhabo uthi ke yena ke that's great, women like to take chances yabo. Akhona ke ama comments engathi manje ngikucacisela ngawo lapha ke akhomba ukuchema neside elithile, amanye ke abalanceisile ukuthi ke okay fine, in as much as umuntu mhlambe ke enze okwrong kanje kodwa ke this is not a way to deal with izinto yabo. Abanye ke bayakhombisa ngempela uhlangothi ke abasuke beleseka ngaso leso sikhathi. uJerry lapha ukuthi ke how can she move on while her husband is in jail but not her boyfriend was in jail? Okay, where is through sickness and health until death do us apart in this situation? I believe without any doubt that the wife is as much guilty as her husband because she has broken her marriage rules and promises. Kuloko ke bafethu mina ke ngiyamvumela kakhulu lo yasisi, because she even doesn't like portray or say like seem to support any side yabo. Uyakhombisa ukuthi okay fine, izinto ke mazi kanje kwenziwa kanje. At this point we can look at a level of damage just because ke we seeing umkhwenyana loyana ke damage a property none, but then same time I damage eyenziwe usisi is much more yabo, is much more than indlela ke lo mfowethu lo adamage ngayo ke izinto, is much more because she just broken ama promises, she just broken izinto ngempela isifungo yabo. Wenze into ke eyisimanga ngokwenza kanjalo, basho kanjalo ke abanye abantu lapha ke kwi comment section. Sengilindele wena ke lapha bafethu ke ngoba ngeke ngawaqeda maningi kakhulu lawo ama comments, but then I'll just read one more and then ke nawe ngikudedele inkundla la ngezansi ukuthi ke ubeke uvo lwakho. Uthi ke lapha ke uMichael ke lapha, that's why is important to leave your estate to your mother, she'll never disappoint you in any way. Anyways bafethu ngicela comment la ngezansi, kungakhohlwa ukusubscribe uphinde ulike le video. Kahle ke kodwa ngenza kwethu ke either side is indlela yokudila nezinto ke, I think ukukhuluma kuphinde futhi kulungiseka izinto, because mase zidamage ke kanje ama cost alezo zinto abamakhulu kakhulu. Sometimes uyaboshwa, sometimes you have to be fined, sometimes you still again have to fix lezi zinto lezi zonke lezi zinto lezi zidla ephaketheni, at the same time zidla nasemqondweni. Ngicela ke ucomment bafethu la kwi section ngezansi, ungakhohlwa ukulike le video. Danko.